Yo, what's up, friends? This is vlog 17. Listen, don't be insane. I have heard the definition put of insanity that you are doing the same thing and expecting different results. Listen, I'm fairly excited. I got another partial car deal out yesterday. But listen, the month is going good, but I don't want to get midweek and then fall short. I don't want to get midweek and become relaxed. I don't want to get midweek and just think that I'm working a little bit more hard. Listen, whatever area you're in, if you're in sales, if you're looking, if you just got a job that your work is a direct reflection of your income, don't be the same as the months before. This is the time to crank up the volume. And as we talked about yesterday, those small disciplines, put forth a greater effort at executing them. I don't care how good your month is coming. Look, it could be luck. Don't rely on luck. Make sure, put in the small disciplines. Make the calls, okay? Do whatever you have to do. Drink the coffee that you need to stay focused. When somebody is in front of you, when your responsibility is in front of you, whatever it is that you're doing, serve them with everything that is in you. Pay the attention that is needed to be paid. And I'm going to see y'all on tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. And hopefully we got some really good news. Drop a comment. Let me know what's going on.